I wake up every day early in the morning, ready to conquer the day. I believe people should live their lives to the fullest. I'm Rachelle Ginsberg. I'm from London, Ontario, Canada. Ever since I've been young, I've been extremely active. I played 5 sports in high school, and I really got into rowing. I loved rowing because it was such a team sport. There was 8 of us in the boat, and we all had to be in sync, so we had to work as a team together in order to win the race. And we did win. We won so much that I started getting recruited by US universities. After graduating with my master's in exercise physiology, I got into the real estate business. Even though I made a lot of money and won awards, I wasn't satisfied. I felt like I didn't have a purpose. One of my best friends, who I really respect, told me about Live Ultimate. She took me into the office, and at first I bought all the products and I just fell in love with them. So they're all plant-based, vegan, gluten-free, 100% raw, USDA certified organic. 25 superfoods crushed up into a powder, so it's pure food, which the body absorbs much better than taking anything in a capsule. Within a few weeks of taking the elixir and the mushrooms, I started to notice a difference. My skin was looking better. I wasn't as tired. My race times for my 5Ks were getting faster. I had more energy. My family and friends noticed the change as well, and they asked me what I was doing, so I introduced them to the Live Ultimate products. My sister, she said her mood was much better. My mom went off her sleeping medication. I was so impressed that I decided to become a brand ambassador. Live Ultimate is not only about products, but it is a movement to bring together like-minded people to help each other grow both physically, mentally, and financially. I love my team at Live Ultimate. I relate it to my rowing team back in university. We work together as a team. We work in sync. We motivate each other. We inspire each other to become better people, to live a better life, to make money, to educate each other and others. I just feel so grateful that I've been able to help my family and friends, that I'm finally living a life that I've always dreamt of. I can go anywhere, whenever I want, eat anywhere, buy anything I want, because I have the financial resources to do so. I'm also so grateful that I can live my life the way I do while securing the future for my loved ones. I believe everyone should live their lives to the fullest. My goal is to help others live the lives they've always dreamt of.